What if I told you that an ordinary person with no business and no investment managed to make 1 crore online just by doing this one thing? Today, I am going to reveal exactly how he did it and how you can start too. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am your Time+Work and I help people make money online and build financial freedom. This is not about luck or scams. This is about real digital income and smart financial moves anyone can do from home. Meet Raj, a 27 years old who started from zero. Raj was working 9 to 5 but wanted freedom. He discovered a simple strategy using digital skills and content create. Number one is learn a high demand skills like digital marketing, finance, or AI tools. Number two is created online contents in YouTube, Instagram, freelancing. Number three is monetized with multiple income sources YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, digital courses. And here is the formula Raj followed. Step 1 build skills. Example video editing, investing, or copywriting. And step 2 is build audience, post value based content daily. Step 3 is monetize audience through product, course, or affiliate links. Number 4 is scale, that means automate and hire people. This is not a fairy tale, it's a formula you can copy today. Here are 3 proven ways to start making money online right now. Number 1 is YouTube automation. Faceless channels earn 1 to 5 lakhs per month. And number 2 is affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commission. Number 3 is freelancing or AI tools. Use ChatGPT, Canva, or Fiverr to earn globally. If you spend 2 hours daily learning and creating, you can build something powerful within 6 months. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing, but the few who take actions change their lives forever. So start today, learn one skill, take one small step, and commit for 6 months. If you found value, hit like, subscribe, and comment. I am ready. So I know you are serious. The journey to 1 crore start with your first 1,000 online. I will see you in the next video where I will show you exactly how to make your first 10,000 from home. Thank you, friends.